People in Manipur begin Yaosheng celebrations, the festival of colors with festive fervor and gaiety. Five eminent former Congress MLAs join NEIDP today. Party fails former MLA R.K. Anand for inner and Ashang Kasar for outer seats for upcoming Lok Sabha polls. And JDU Manipur alleges BJP of playing tactics to let NPF win outer Manipur parliamentary seat in 2019 Lok Sabha polls to strengthen its alliance. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. Impact News wishes our viewers a very happy Yaosheng. I'm Joyce Shusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. People in Manipur today celebrated the first day of the 5-day Yaosheng festival with traditional fervor and enthusiasm. The first day of the festival was marked by the burning of Yaosheng, or the burning of the straw huts, just after sunset in every colony. People offered fruits and flowers to deity on the occasion. Just after the burning of the straw huts, young boys and girls in traditional attires went door to door asking for money, a Yaosheng tradition known as Nakateng. The Festival of Colors, Holi, is being celebrated across the country today. The festival signifies the victory of good over evil and the arrival of spring. President Ramnath Kovind and Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu have greeted the people on this occasion. Communist Party of India, Manipur, has extended heartiest greetings on the auspicious occasion of Yaosheng Festival. AISF Manipur State Council extended heartiest greetings on Yaosheng Festival. The council also appeals not to exceed the festivities for more than 5 days and to maintain the sanctity of the festival. Speaking to media at AISF office, AISF Manipur State Council General Secretary K.H. Rameshwar stressed the need for time restriction on festivities. He urged local clubs, Mairapaibis and civil society organizations to take actions if Yaosheng celebrations exceed 5 days. He also appeals to cooperate in ensuring a free and fair upcoming Lok Sabha election. As warned yesterday against burning of Salai Taret and Mangang Luang Khuman flags along with Yaosheng ceremonial straw huts by Lainingthau Sanamahi Temple Board members today inspected the same across Imphal Valley and in market areas. Amid Yaosheng celebrations, residents of Kainau in Bishnupur district blocked the road passing through Kainau Thongkhong against failure of the relevant authority to repair the road properly. The protesters warned of continuing to block the road until it is repaired. Five eminent former Congress MLAs have joined North-East India Development Party NEIDP today. NEIDP also declared its inner and outer candidates for the upcoming 17th Lok Sabha elections. Former MLA R.K. Anand is NEIDP candidate for inner Manipur parliamentary seat and Ashang Kasar is NEIDP candidate for outer Manipur parliamentary seat. The five entrants, namely former Oinam MLA Dr. I. Ibohan B., former Nauria Pakanglakpa MLA R.K. Anand, former Konthaujam MLA K. Sharat, former Khurai MLA N.G. Bijoy and former Yai School MLA E. Chan were accorded a warm reception by NEIDP today. NEIDP Manipur State Unit also appointed former Minister and spokesperson of Congress Party NG Bijoy as President of NEIDP Central Working Committee. Speaking in the press meet held at NEIDP CWC office in Tera today, NG Bijoy stated that the decision to join the regional party from a national political party was taken in disfavor of awaiting centre's call while attempting to solve any conflicts facing the state. Speaking in the press meet, former MLA R.K. Anand said they have joined NEIDP to attain political freedom and to abolish puppet politics. He asserted that regional party will take major role in curbing the ongoing commotions in the state. Stressing the need for regionalism, R.K. Anand urged the public to support the regional party.
Ngasi Manipur ki laribi issues pe human rights violations ki moi marang loi lai haib tai Congress su mangai BJP have never associated BJP su mangai lairib party kharadi guilty conscience noi leim ngak tane cry dhum some way politically legally human rights ki do oira ama do oiro state ki interest some way moi se falter to groba choba mara lai bane sidi ngasi Manipur miam na koi count of hore moi they all guilty they all culprits they have weapons live right the yam clarity lai na politics to wi matang lak prank kali why spoil asel states you reasons you why at some point of time we necessarily should torkani if necessary global level the international level the dark level we could think toga we should be able to raise our voice so strong that everybody listens. Government of India cannot ignore it. Global gi पृथ्वी की लेवे नेशंस में हमना कोई डिमांड से कोई असर्शन से कोई पॉलिटिकल वॉइस से तादा भी याद है तादा भी स्पाइसी दा दियो कोई ने निंग तमना कोनाफन लाउबिया बसे दिस इज वन रीजनल फोर्स कोई पुटन पुलगा कोई सागपिन तारनिंग हम गरे हाइबदुने
Oinam Block Congress Committee OBCC has disbanded over dissatisfaction at the recent state visit of AICC President Rahul Gandhi. Speaking to media at Oinam today, OBCC President L. Ango stated that the 39-member unit resolved to disband the committee over failure of Rahul Gandhi to give any concrete assurances to resolve issues facing the state like border pillar issue, Indo-Naga Framework Agreement and Citizenship Amendment Bill. He mentioned that around 1,500 Congress workers of Oinam constituency attended the election rally held at Hapta Kangjebung yesterday, where the AICC president was addressing, with hopes that the Congress national president will address people's grievances. However, he left the attendees discontented. Ango further termed it unfortunate that former MLA of Oinam, Dr. I. Bohanbi, who served the party for over 10 years, was not even invited over the dais. He said the decision to disband OBCC was unanimously taken by bloc president, vice president and general secretary administration and other bloc members.
प्रजासिंगी कांग्रेस बु नुसिजो प्रजासिंग मसी पामक्त्रे अखोगी होपता अखोगी आसादा कांग्रेस याम पामजना हजिक लेरिबा प्रजासिंगी इहोदा कांग्रेस न मयोंग यारी हाइना लेबसिदा एक्सएमएलए ओरिबा सही तराजु केंद्रसि सेवा तौ लाकपसिदा नुक्सा फोन बायबसे कोई पेंदे हाइना योन अदुदि पेंद्रगदि रिजाइन तौथोगे हाइद्रा ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट की रिजाइन तौपसिदा आई सेक्रेटरी वाइस प्रेसिडेंट सु यारे अहन रिजाइन तौरगदि होजि तौजरनी हाइद्रा aina resign tawrobdina moju resign tawbu sab ane rai Oinam Block Congress Committee je ngasidegi muthale aina
Janata Dal United Manipur State Unit has alleged BJP of playing tactics to let Naga People's Front (NPF) win from Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency in the upcoming Lok Sabha polls to strengthen its alliance. JDU President and Party Outer candidate Hankanpao Taitul alleged BJP of trying to fill a namesake candidate of Kuki origin in the upcoming polls to facilitate NPF Outer candidate win the election so that its NDA alliance can be strengthened. He was speaking to media at the party office in New Chekon today at the sidelines of Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency Minority Development Committee SORA, commending Taitul as an eligible MP. The JDU president mentioned that alliance between NPF and BJP was weakened in the wake of the recent anti-cap stir. He criticized BJP of trying to appease NPF. Hankanpao Taitul appeals to vote for JDU to bring a positive change in the state.
Hojik vote hadaragadi JDU na first tagani, Congress na second tagani, BJP di distant last oigani. Adugi matakta BJP na amukka Benjamin Mate Kuki ticket pi bataragadi NPP ki Kuki, JDU ki Kuki, BJP Kuki, kanana khang Congress na su Kuki amada pirak kanana khang maramdi NPF ki candidate ase NDA oibanina BJP na nungsi jaraba NPF ase kanana ba sin khare haibe se noi khangjara mukko hairaga ai tokhi any party na karamba candidate thado agasu akhoi de ninghandana aroi ba phawa cha tharaga.
President of Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency Minority Development Committee SORA Mohammad Siddiq Ali asserted that none of the elected MPs from Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency have done any welfare activities for the public so far. He said the committee gave a deep introspection on such a situation and resolved to support JDU President Hankan Pautaitul in the upcoming election. He appeals not to be befooled by the political tactics of BJP and Congress Party anymore.
Lakaduriba 17 Lok Sabha gi election asida aikoina karamba mioida karamba ba mihuta aikoisi vote asi tausige haiba adu aikoina kumna khana jarabagi matungda Sri Hankhal Phau Taitul JDU unita asina khwaidagi hena Harani haiba wakhanduda minority gi development committee asina oja asi saugatpa haina ikoi warep taraba matungduda ikoina makhata na masigi thabasi chatha jarapani.
Naga People's Front NPF outer candidate Dr. Lorho S. Fuzui has filed his nominations to contest in the upcoming Lok Sabha election. Lorho filed his nominations to outer returning officer cum DC Thaubal Haubam Roshita. Gaidon Kamai is a proposer of Dr. Lorho, who is a resident of Kayinu village of Senapati district. A filing of election nomination is closed until March 24 in view of Yawshang festival. As per an official source, reports requested as per a mandate of the United Nations Working Group on Arbitrary Detention and the Special Rapporteur on the Promotion and Protection of the Rights to Freedom of Opinion and Expression regarding the arrest and detention of former ISTV desk editor Kishore Chandra Wangkhemcha under the National Security Act for criticizing the BJP government on Facebook post is yet to be submitted by the Indian government. It had asked to carry out proceedings of the case before an independent and impartial tribunal as per the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights ICCPR in early part of January this year. Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on initiation of 2 honey extraction cum processing units at CAU Imphal campus in Hiroshima. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Central Agricultural University CAU Imphal Vice Chancellor Professor M. Premjit inaugurated 2 honey extraction cum processing units initiated by CAU Imphal under Integrated Beekeeping Development Projects at CAU Imphal campus in Hiroshima today. The bigger unit out of the 2 can process 500 kg of honey in 1 hour, while the smaller units can process 250 kg of honey per hour. Speaking to media, Professor M. Premjit stated that the honey cultivated by bee farmers of Manipur is crude honey, which needs processing. He urged bee farmers to process their honey produced at the newly launched units. Meanwhile, 7-day scientific methods of beekeeping for doubling farmers' income, organized by CAU Imphal, concluded today. Bee farmers of Tamenglong and Nonne districts participated in the training program.
अखोई मणिपुर लोइबा इंडियन हाईवे की अखोई खोईसी मपान की नमदा दुकी मटिक पामनै मरमदि मणिपुर अयाम तिलाट हिदाक सी चांग हनन सिजनब मरम होइदना अखोई केमिकल के योगदे अखोई हनी सी अदुना मसिगी हनी सी इवन अखोई डवर की हनी खंगदे ट्रांजिली की हनी दगी हेना अखोइना हेना पॉपुलराइज तो हन बियाय मयामना हुजिक लोगनरिबा मसि क्रूड हनी कोई मजि अखोई प्रोसेस तो बुदर कलै खोई लोरी बेसिली नाउ सिंगसिना मोई खोइदु उबिरा कंदैदा सेंट्रल एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी की इरोइशम बसिंग दैदा असेंग प्रोसेस तोरबा हनी ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯒꯣ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯤꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯏꯚꯟ ꯃꯥꯔꯀꯦꯠꯇ ꯌꯣꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗꯁꯨ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯕꯤ ꯀꯤꯄꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯟꯃꯤꯠꯂꯣꯟꯁꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯠꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯁꯪꯒꯥꯖꯕꯅꯤ.
Sahitya Thopanglup observed the World's Poetry Day at Manipur Hindi Parishad Hall, Old Assembly Road today. Gopal Sharma Awards 2019 was conferred upon renowned writer Abdur Rahman on the occasion. The award includes 10,000 rupees cash, a citation and a shawl. Writer Abdur Rahman not only contributed in Manipur and Islamic literatures, but he has also written many poems in Manipuri. 5 poems written by 5 renowned poets of the state were discussed, and the 12th edition of Saklon International Manipuri magazine was also released in the event. Writers Association Kakching also joined in observing World's Poetry Day today at the auditorium of Representatives of Lois ROL Kakching Chumnang Lekai. Secretary of Writers Association Biramangol Moirang Them spoke on the significance of observing the day, while Nimai Pukramba and Dr. N. Pramodini spoke on Malemgi Shereng Numit and Malemgi Nupigi Numit respectively. Poetry recitations marked the day. The 52nd Fire Walking Festival 2019 of Tamil community of Moray concluded today with a fire walking event held at the Sunrise Club Ground in Moray. Sri Angala Prameshwari Sri Munishwarar Temple Committee began the fire walking festival since March 12. Several individuals from the Meitei, Nepali, Bihari, Myanmarese communities participated in the fire walking event. Eminent persons from Myanmar and commanding officer of 43rd Assam Rifles also attended the event. Mass Communication Department of Rajiv Gandhi University, Arunachal Pradesh will host a 3-day-long film festival entitled Borderland Narratives, a festival of films from contemporary Northeast India from March 23. Haubam Paban Kumar's award-winning feature film Loktak Lairimbi and many other films and documentaries will be screened during the festival. 5-day Yaosheng Sports Festival began across Imphal Valley as part of Yaosheng Festival today. Yaosheng Sports events kicked off by lighting torches from the sacred Kangla Shrine. Various local clubs, organizations and Marapaibi associations came to the historical Kangla Fort early this morning to collect sacred fire, which was then taken to their respective localities to mark the opening of Yaosheng Sport Festival. Boys, girls and elders from different parts of Imphal Valley came to Kangla Shrine from eastern, northern and western Kangla gates to fetch torch from the sacred shrine. People were seen eagerly waiting for the sacred flamed sport torches outside the Kangla fort. Police personnel kept the strict vigil around the sacred shrine and helped in easy movement of the people. Clubs and organizations in areas away from Imphal city also commenced Yaosheng Sports Festival by lighting their sports torches from their nearby sacred shrines. Arrangements are being made for traditional Thabal Chongba events across the valley to be a part of the festival this evening. Meitei Council Moray also kicked off the 25th Yaosheng Sports at Eastern Shine School ground in Moray, Wards number 7 today. Churachan Kunau Lekai met Charoi Rangba Haino Makong Lekai, while Kongnang Thaba Bazar Lekai played against Mongyamba Premnagar Lekai in the opening football matches. Meanwhile, 26 Assam Rifles Moray Battalion celebrated Holi with children of JJ Orphanage Moray. Food items were also distributed to the children. Thamna Pokpi Youth Welfare Club, Kaino, Oinam, Taubul and various local clubs of Bishnupur district also kicked off Yaosheng Sports Meets today. On the first day of the ongoing All Manipur Working Journalists Union's 9th Annual Journalist Sports Meet 2019, Impact News team bagged 1 gold and 1 bronze medal In the morning session, Impact News anchor Victoria Rajkumari bagged a gold medal in discus throw distance of 18.58 meter to open the medal score for the team. In the same event, Babita of ISTV with a discus throw distance of 17.39 meter was adjudged a silver medalist, and yet again Impact News bagged another medal from Impact News anchor Rina Tingujam with a bronze medal for discus throw distance of 17.33 meter. In women's 100-meter race, Impact News anchor Victoria Rajkumari bagged a bronze medal, while Roshimala of ISTV bagged gold and Lily Kim of Sanalebag fetched a silver medal. In women's long jump event, Roshimala of ISTV bagged a gold medal. Impact News anchor Victoria Rajkumari fetched a silver medal and Jaya Lakshmi of ISTV fetched a bronze medal. While in men's shot put event, Thokchom Kishan of Shanghai Express bagged a gold, A. Ajit of Imphal Times secured a silver, and N. Binoy of ISTV settled for a bronze medal. In men's 400 meters race event, Impact News reporter Ilangbam Mushuk bagged a bronze medal. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. People in Manipur begin Yaosheng celebrations, the festival of colors, with festive fervor and gaiety. Five eminent former Congress MLAs join NEIDP today. Party fields former MLA R.K. Anand for inner and Ashan Kasar for outer seats for upcoming Lok Sabha polls. And JDU Manipur alleges BJP of playing tactics to let NPF win out the Manipur parliamentary seat in 2019 Lok Sabha polls to strengthen its alliance.